Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to yet another video. As you can see on the back of the truck, I have a wood chipper. Rented it from the Home Depot yesterday. Got the better half back there already dragging limbs up. And we're going to try to clear this today. Golly, it's nuts. Anyway, let me show you this thing. 25 horsepower. Cut up to a 7-inch limb. My buddy Jason's bringing his trailer over and he's wanting the mulch, so we're gonna give it to him. So I'm gonna set the camera up and let y'all see what we're doing. So y'all stay with us. Alright, welcome to the Heat Stroke channel. Looking at an idiot right here. My wife's almost dead over there, so yeah, we're too out of shape to be doing this, but we have cleaned up this hole. There was 3 big piles right here. We cleaned them up. We got that much mulch. And if you imagine all them pallets of mulch at the Home Depot, how many trees it takes to do that, Lord help. So anyway, I'm gonna back the chipper right down here. And I figure we'll work on it for about another hour, hour and a half until we give out, which may not be that long. And then I will take it back to the rental yard. So we'll update you when we get there. All right, so I lost some of the footage from the very end there. I don't know what I did. I was probably about to have a heat stroke. Me and the wife both were. It was 94 degrees with 96% humidity, and the sun was beating down on us. But we got, I'm gonna say 2/3 of everything chipped up. We had my buddy's trailer 4 feet high, full of mulch, and they were able to use it on their place. We got another big old pile going, and we're going to use it for compost. We got a big compost area up there, so my wife's wanting to have a greenhouse at some point. So we're going to do that, but hope y'all enjoy this journey. It's just a journey, as most of it's for me, so I can go back and look where we started, and Lord willing, hope where we'll end. It's been a journey, been a lot of work so far, trying to clear it up. I probably should have hired it done by professionals. It probably would have been quicker. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoy the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe. About 908 subscribers right now. Can't appreciate you enough. Share it with your friends. Hopefully you learn something. Hopefully I can teach you something or show you that you can clear your own land. You can do work, you can fix things, and a whole bit. But anyway, taking a break from work here, going to get back at it. But until the next video, thanks for watching.